those other bikes. He's flying right there, look. He lets off right here because of this bump. Yeah, he lets off right there because of that bump.